This exercise is an application problem involving fractions. Monroe weighs 5/7 of his dad's weight. If his dad weighs 175 pounds, how much does Monroe weigh? We're going to approach this using our five-step problem-solving strategy, and the first step is to familiarize ourselves with the situation. We read the problem carefully, and we're going to assign a variable to the unknown. We'll let W equal Monroe's weight. And the unit we're using is pounds. Now Monroe weighs 5/7 of his dad's weight. And we can move to the translate step, and while we're thinking of the translate step, we remember that of translates to multiplication. So Monroe's weight would be 5/7 of his dad's weight, or 5/7 times 175 pounds. We have an equation that we can solve, and we solve this by carrying out the multiplication. To carry out the multiplication, we multiply 5 times 175 in the numerator. The denominator would be 7. And then we would see if 7 is a factor of 175, and it is. We can factor 175 as 7 times 25. And let's write 7 as 7 times 1. This allows us to factor this as two fractions, 7/7 times 5 times 25 over 1. 7/7 is 1. 5 times 25 is 125. 125 over 1 would be 125. So we have a possible answer of Monroe's weight of being 125 pounds. The fourth step would be to check this. To check it, one thing we could look at is 125 is less than 175, which we would expect. We could also repeat our calculations, and we would find that 125 is the answer, and we'd state that as the fifth step. Monroe weighs 125 pounds.